Alright, a little update on the speaker rebuild. The center's glued in. First one I did was this one, and not the method I probably would have used if I had to do it again. I do like that it's glued on the inside where you drop it in. Wasn't hard to do, but what I did was I took the ring off and I took the glue, turned the speaker around and took the glue and ran glue around the bottom of it all the way around the best I could, considering there are spots where you won't be able to get your hand under because there's the little blocks right here. So I just did the best I could and got all the way around on the underside of this, and once I did that, I used my finger and kind of spread it all, the way around and got into spots that you can't get to, like right here. I just stuck my hand in there and kind of just ran the glue in there, and then and then I took the glue and put it around the foam where it would touch the speaker. So I put more glue on there, and then I went and dropped it in, and that was definitely tricky because by the time I did all that, the glue was already starting to get tacky. You can see it's starting to got in other spots. I might be able to clean that up later with a little alcohol. I don't know, we'll see. I don't think it's gonna affect it. But yeah, you can see it did that. I had glue all over my hands. I was having a hard time trying to shove it all underneath it, and it got tacky a lot faster than I expected. So when I went and did this one a little differently. This is the method I probably would do. What I did was no glue yet, but I installed the foam all the way around first, like it was already installed. And since it's not attached to the cone yet, all I did was push down on each, or kind of just pop the cone up, put my finger in there, got the glue, and I was able to drop it in between. And as I had it in between, I was able to kind of just run it, around the whole ring. And that allowed me to apply the glue. And I think I did it maybe 2 times around just to make sure I had enough in there, because it was kind of hard to see in there. It's kind of dark. Maybe I had to wear a headlamp next time. But yeah, I ran enough glue in there. Once it was in there, I kind of just pressed down on it, put my hand on the underside, and kind of just put my hand behind the cone and this, and kind of just press the ring and the cone together. You can see some of the glue kind of starts squeezing out a little bit, which is fine because I think the original one was had glue all around there anyways. Yeah, you can see it right there, but it's way cleaner doing it that way easier. My hands were cleaner, way faster. There was no stressing about time or nothing like that compared to this one. So if you guys ever want to do it how the OEM one was done, it is possible. And then right now I waited about a little over an hour or so for this glue to set, and I just applied the glue for the outer ring right now, and I still have the foam gaskets that will be getting glued on top of that afterwards, which I'll be doing shortly, so you don't think I need to wait for this to set. But yeah, I got the glue all in it. Can't wait to get these things plugged in. And I know these things would sound way better than any aftermarket speaker. If you're doing just direct drop-ins, this is the method. This is the method to go. It is time-consuming, but it does sound better with these. Even when they were blown, they sounded fairly decent. So, as you can see, this one's a little darker gray. This one has a little discoloration, so we'll see how long they'll last. But there you go.